Today we are going to start session number 4 of chapter number 9, some applications of trigonometry. Okay, so इस chapter में एक type का question बच गया था, that is proof related questions, and this is the last session of this chapter. So from the top of a lighthouse, the angles of depression of two ships on the opposite sides of it are observed to be alpha and beta. If the height of the lighthouse be h meters and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, show that the distance between the ships is h tan alpha plus tan beta upon tan alpha into tan beta meters. So all these are board questions only. Whatever the questions I am taking, that all are board questions only. बहुत पहले आया हुआ है, last 15 years से I took questions. Okay, so this is the figure. ये this is the lighthouse. Okay, AB is the lighthouse and this is the point of observation, and we are observing two ships on the opposite side. ठीक है, opposite side of the lighthouse. One is at C. The angle of depression is alpha and another is D. The angle of depression is beta, and these two angles are equal. Why?
Alternate interior angles.
Right, so these two angles are equal because alternate interior angles. Similarly, these two angles are also equal. Both are equals to beta. Now, let AB be the lighthouse and C and D be the positions of two ships. Then AB is equals to h meters. Now, here, let this distance is equals to x and this is equals to y. And we have to find the distance between the ships. That means CD we have to find. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दोनों ट्राइंगल्स एक एक करके लेंगे, राइट? एंड दिस एंगल इज अल्फा, एंगल ACB is equals to alpha and angle ADB is equals to beta. Right, now for this triangle, ये जो AB है, कौन सा साइड है with respect to this angle? Which side it is?
Opposite
side. And this is adjacent. Okay, so which trigonometric ratio we have to use for opposite and adjacent?
Tan theta.
Either tan theta or cot theta, right? Similarly, for beta this is opposite and this is adjacent, so here also we can use either tan theta or cot theta. Okay, so now let us start with the triangle. First triangle ABC or CAB. cot alpha is equals to, अगर हम लोग cot alpha लेते हैं, so adjacent upon opposite, that is AC upon AB, so x upon h होगा. अगर हम लोग tan alpha लेते हैं तो h upon x होगा. So we are going to take cot alpha. So AC is AC upon AB, and AC is x and AB is h. So we'll get cot alpha is equals to x upon h, and again we'll cross multiply, so we'll get x is equals to h cot alpha. Let it be equation number 1. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay. Similarly, we will find the Similarly, we'll find the y in terms of cot beta. Okay. So cot beta is equals to, again, adjacent upon opposite, that is AD upon AB. You can take tan alpha or tan beta also, no issue. So cot beta is equals to AD upon AB. AD is y and AB is h. So again cross multiplication, we'll get y is equals to h cot beta. Now distance between the ships is CD, that is x plus y. So we'll add this two. If we add this two, we'll get h. We'll take a common, cot alpha plus cot beta. Now cot alpha we can write 1 upon tan alpha, and cot beta we can write 1 upon tan beta. Now we'll take LCM. LCM लेंगे तो न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा tan alpha plus tan beta, and the denominator is tan alpha tan beta. So this is the required distance. Okay, hence the distance between the ships is h into tan alpha plus tan beta upon tan alpha tan beta meter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं है, बट अल्फा बीटा सब देख के सब लोग डर जाते हैं. Okay, so now another question. This is also very good question. I think 3-4 times board exam में आया है last 25 years में. A round balloon of radius r subtends an angle alpha at the eye of the observer while the angle of elevation of its center is beta. Prove that the height of the center of the balloon is r sin beta cosec alpha by 2. So पहले तो एक balloon draw कर लेते हैं. This is the balloon, round balloon. Okay, और ये जो angle है, angle subtends angle alpha, total angle alpha है, and this is the center. C is the center of this round balloon, and one property is there in the circle chapter that if we join the center to the point of intersection of two tangent, okay, then that is the bisector of the angle between the two tangent. Center lies in the angle bisector of the angle between two tangents. That is the property we have. So we can take alpha by 2, alpha by 2. Complete angle is alpha. Okay, and angle of elevation of its center is given. So center का जो angle of elevation है वो बीटा है. So this is beta जो red mark मैं कर रहा हूँ. So now you have to identify two right triangles here. One belongs to alpha by 2 and another belongs beta. फिगर सबको क्लियर है? सबसे पहले फिगर इज क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? इफ नॉट आई विल रिपीट. दिस इज अ राउंड बलून. बलून का जो एंगल जो है, बलून का जो एंगल जो है वो बीटा अल्फा इस पॉइंट से, ठीक है. द सर्कल सबटेंड्स एंगल alpha at the eye of observer. So this complete angle is alpha, and this line bisect this angle. So alpha by 2, alpha by 2. और इस सेंटर का जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन दिया हुआ बीटा दिया हुआ है. Okay, now you have to identify the two triangles. One is triangle BOC with respect to alpha by 2, and another is COD. Okay, so let us represent the balloon by a circle with center C and radius R. Let OX be the horizontal ground and let O be the point of observation. From O, draw the tangents OA and OB to the circle. Join CA and CB. Okay, and CO, and draw CD perpendicular to OX. Therefore, angle AOB is equals to alpha and angle DOC is equals to beta. Now, angle AOC is equals to angle BOC is equals to alpha by 2. Just now I told you that center lies on the angle bisector of the angle between two tangents. Okay. So, from right triangle OAC, ध्यान से देखो ये दोनों में से कोई भी एक ट्राइंगल ले सकते हैं. So, we are taking OAC and we are using, ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे cosec है, cosec का रेसिप्रोकल साइन होता है और यहाँ पे साइन बीटा है. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे either we can use sine or we can use cosec. So I am using cosec alpha by 2. So cosec alpha by 2 is hypotenuse upon opposite side. So opposite side is AC and hypotenuse is OC, right? So OC upon R हो जाएगा ये, and finally OC is equals to R into cosec alpha by 2. So we got the value of OC. ये OC मिल गया, right? Now with respect to beta, this is the opposite side, this is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. Again we are using sine. Already question में भी sine term है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे sine use करेंगे. तो sin beta is equals to CD upon OC, that is opposite upon hypotenuse, right? And we have to find CD only. We have to prove that CD. So यहाँ पे CD हो जाएगा OC into sin B, and we got the value already OC from equation 1. पिछले वाले ट्राइंगल से OC हमारे पास आ गया था, that is R cosec alpha by 2. So we'll substitute. Okay, so this is the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
ओके एक बार और एक बार खुद से कर लेना जब मैं अपलोड करूंगा तो, राइट? टुडे ओनली आई विल अपलोड. सो विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फ्रॉम अ विंडो h meter high above the ground of a house in a street, the angles of elevation and depression of the top and the foot of another house on the opposite side of the street are theta and phi. Okay, not pi, phi respectively. Show that the height of the opposite house is h into 1 plus tan theta into cot phi meters. So पहले तो डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. So this is the height of window and this is the point of observation. ध्यान से देखो. And we are observing the another house. This is the another house. This is the another house. Let the height of this house is capital H. Okay, and we are observing the top of the house and the foot of the house. जब top house का top देख रहे हैं तो angle of elevation बनेगा, और जब bottom देख top foot देख रहे हैं तो angle of depression बनेगा, right? And these two angles are equal. Why?
Alternate interior
Yes,
angle.
alternate interior angle. अभी ये पूरा height capital H है and these two sides are equal. So what about this side? Capital H minus small h. Whether figure is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी figure clear हो गया तो next step क्या है? You have to identify the right triangles with respect to both the angles. सो थीटा के लिए एक ही ट्राइंगल है, एक ही राइट ट्राइंगल है, और फाई के लिए वी हैव टू राइट ट्राइंगल्स, आइदर दिस वन और दिस वन, एनी वन यू कैन टेक. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद राइट ऑफ वर्क. लेट AB be the house with window at B is the point of observation, and let CD be the another house, and AB is equals to H meter. So draw BE parallel to AC meeting CD at point E. Then angle EBD is equals to theta, and angle ACB is equals to angle EBC is equals to phi. Okay, alternate interior angles. Let CD is equals to H meter, then CE is equals to AB is equals to H meters, and ED is equals to H capital H minus small h meter. So यहाँ तक मैंने डायग्राम में ऑलरेडी मैं एक्सप्लेन कर चुका हूँ. So now we are going to take one right triangle. So first right triangle we are going to take ACB, this triangle. With respect to this angle, this is opposite side. And what about this one?
Adjacent side.
Adjacent side, right? So here we can take either tan theta or cot theta, right? So we are going to take cot phi because question में जो proof करना है उसमें phi है. Okay? So cos theta क्या होता है? Adjacent upon opposite. So AC upon AB हो जाएगा, and the value of AB is H. So we'll get AC is equals to H cot phi meter, and AC और BE दोनों इक्वल होगा, so ये भी H cot 5 meters हो जाएगा, right? So now we are going to take this right triangle BED. Again we are using either cot theta or tan theta, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में tan theta इसलिए मैं अभी tan theta यूज कर रहा हूँ. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent, that is DE upon BE. So DE is H capital H minus small h, and I already told you that BE is equals to AC, so BE we can write H cot phi, right? क्योंकि दोनों equal है. Now we'll cross multiply, यहाँ पे multiply हो जाएगा, so minus H you can shift here, plus H हो जाएगा, अगर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो, अगर इन दोनों में से क्या स्मॉल h कॉमन लेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? व्हाट यू विल गेट?
tan theta cot phi plus 1.
राइट, tan थीटा cot phi plus 1. सो यही प्रूफ करना था हम लोग को. एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll move towards next question. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by vertical flagstaff. Vertical flagstaff of height h. Okay. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. Prove that the height of the tower is this. ये प्रूफ करना है. So पहले हम लोग डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. So ये फ्लैग स्टैफ का हाइट ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में h, राइट? और इसका जो बॉटम का जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है दैट इज अल्फा. इन द क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन. And the angle of elevation of top is beta, and let the height of the tower is y. Figure is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to identify two right triangles.
Triangle DAB and triangle CAB.
Right, so उससे पहले हम लोग थोड़ा write up कर लेते हैं. Let CD is equals to h meter, unit is not given, h be the flagstaff, and let the height of the tower is BC y meter. Okay, we can take meter. Let AB is equals to h meter in right triangle ABC. Now see ABC, the smaller one, this one. Alpha के opposite में y है, that is opposite side, and the adjacent side is AB. Okay, so we are going to take tan alpha, that is BC upon AB. So tan alpha will be y upon x. Let it be equation number 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are going to take the full triangle, that is ABD. Tan beta is equals to, opposite is this side, the full side. Full side means h plus y, and the adjacent side is this one, that is AB. So tan beta is equals to BD upon AB, and this will imply tan beta is equals to y plus h upon x. Let it be equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, इसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम लोग? हम लोग को एक्चुअल में निकालना है y. Y we have to find. So इसमें से y निकाल के इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so let us start dividing 1 and 2. ध्यान से देखो, ये दोनों को डिवाइड कर रहा हूं मैं. So tan alpha by tan beta, this x will be cancel and we'll get y upon y plus h. उसके बाद क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. So what we will get? ध्यान से देखो, y tan alpha plus h tan alpha, इन दोनों को इंटू किए तो is equals to y tan beta. Whether this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you shift this to this side. So y tan alpha अगर इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो हो जाएगा minus y tan alpha, and we can take y common, so tan beta minus tan alpha हो जाएगा. So what is the final value of y? H tan alpha upon tan beta minus tan alpha. So यही प्रूफ करना था हम लोग को. So any doubt?
No, sir.
So next question is, from the top of a tower h meter high, the angle of depression of two objects which are in a line with the foot of the tower are alpha and beta, where beta is greater than alpha. Prove that the distance between the two objects is h cot beta minus cot alpha. H into cot beta minus cot alpha. So this is the diagram, and this is the 2 point alpha and beta. Okay, sorry, A and B, and the angle of depression of first point A is alpha and point B is beta. Okay, and these two angles are equal because alternate interior angles, and these two angles are equal, same reason, alternate interior angles, and this is the height of the tower, that is h meter, and let this distance is x and this distance is y minus x. कैसे हो जाएगा y minus x? ये पूरा हम लोग y ले रहे हैं, will take y, so this distance will be y minus x. So let us start. Let A and B two objects, and AB is equals to x and AC is equals to y, so BC will be y minus x, right? Let CD be the tower of h meter height. Let CD be the height of the tower, that is h meter, and in right triangle, यहाँ पर भी दो right triangle, एक ACD और एक BCD. So we are taking the full right triangle, that is ACD. With respect to this alpha, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So we can use either tan alpha or cot alpha. So with respect to alpha, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent. So we can take either tan alpha or cot alpha. So we are going to take tan alpha. Tan alpha is equals to CD upon AC. So CD हो जाएगा H और AC already हम लोग लिए हैं Y. So this will be equals to H upon Y. Let it be equation number 1. Now in the right triangle BCD, so tan beta is equals to CD upon BC. CD is H and BC is Y minus X. So tan beta is equals to H upon Y minus X. Let it be equation number 2. Now from 1, see, from equation 1, y can be written as H upon tan alpha. ये दोनों को हम लोग interchange कर सकते हैं. Okay, let it be equation number 3. Now from 2 we can interchange these two. ध्यान से देखो, y minus x into tan beta is equals to h. Interchange नहीं कर रहे हम लोग, इन दोनों को multiply कर रहे हैं. y minus x into tan beta is equals to h. Now we are going to substitute y in here. ठीक है, यहाँ ब्रैकेट रहेगा, h अपॉन tan alpha minus x into tan beta is equals to h, using equation number 1. यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है? मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. y is equals to h अपॉन tan alpha यहाँ से मिल गया, और if you multiply this two you will get y minus x into tan beta is equals to h. Now substitute y in this equation. So you will get h upon tan alpha minus x into tan beta. That is equals to h. Using equation 1, or you can write using equation 3. अब यहाँ के बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. See, if you multiply or if you take LCM, we'll get this step. अगर हम लोग LCM लेंगे तो h minus x tan alpha upon tan alpha मिलेगा. Now what we can do after that, we can shift tan alpha to this side. It will become h into tan alpha. Now open the bracket here. So h tan beta minus x tan alpha into tan beta is equals to h tan alpha. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
फिर इन दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर लो. सो इंटरचेंज करने के बाद अगर h कॉमन लेते हैं तो tan बीटा माइनस tan अल्फा आ गया. नाउ x इज इक्वल्स टू, डिवाइड कर लो यहाँ पर, h tan बीटा माइनस tan अल्फा अपॉन tan अल्फा tan बीटा. नाउ स्प्लिट अप, अगर स्प्लिट करते हो तो यहाँ पे tan 1 अपॉन tan अल्फा बचेगा और यहाँ पे 1 अपॉन tan बीटा. सो वो हो जाएगा cot अल्फा माइनस cot बीटा. लेकिन बीटा जो है, the value of beta is greater than alpha, and x जो है वो distance between AB है, and distance is never negative. That is why we will write cot beta minus cot alpha. अनदर मेथड वी कैन यूज डायरेक्टली cot alpha cot beta, तो थोड़ा वो भी देख लेते हैं ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड. We will take first full triangle, that is ACD. Cot alpha is alpha क्या होगा, adjacent by opposite, that is y upon h. Right, now cross multiply. So y is equals to h cot alpha. Let it be equation number 1. क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी cot alpha cot beta दिया ना, इसलिए अगर cot alpha cot beta लेंगे तो थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाएगा. And in the next triangle, that is cot beta is equals to BC by CD. BC is y minus x and CD is h. So we'll get cot beta is equals to y minus x upon h. Again cross multiply. So we'll get y minus x is equals to h cot beta. अब ये दोनों को माइनस कर दो, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. So subtracting these two will get y minus of y minus x. This will become plus h cot alpha minus h cot beta. इसमें y cancel हो जाएगा. And now you take h common from these two. So you will get this answer. This is very easy. ये समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So, but again the same condition, beta is greater than 0, beta is greater than alpha. So we'll write x is equals to h into cot beta minus cot alpha. So we'll move towards another question. A ladder rests against a vertical wall at an inclination alpha to the horizontal. Its foot is pulled away from the wall through a distance p. So that its upper part, अगर नीचे से लैडर को खींचोगे तो upper part नीचे स्लाइड करेगा. Slides a distance q down the wall and then the ladder makes an angle beta to the horizontal. Show that p by q is equals to cos beta minus cos alpha upon sin alpha minus sin beta. So this is also very good question. See this diagram. This is the initial positions. BC जो है वो लैडर है and this is the angle of elevation of the top of the ladder. अभी इसको हम लोग पीछे खींचे यहाँ तक p डिस्टेंस तक. So ladder नीचे की ओर आ गया यहाँ पर and the angle of elevation will be changed to beta. Right? Figure समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
And we have two right triangles here, ABC और AEC, AED. दो राइट ट्रायंगल है, दोनों राइट ट्रायंगल का हम लोग यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट BC बी द लैडर विथ स्लाइड्स डिस्टेंस Q ऑन द वॉल. Here CD is equals to P and BE is equals to Q. And in right triangle ABC, see this right triangle, यहाँ पे केवल sin alpha, sin beta, cos alpha, cos beta है. So first we will take sin alpha. Sin alpha is opposite by hypotenuse. That means AB upon BC. So what is AB? I will write AB now. We can write AE plus Q also. और BC is the length of the ladder. ठीक है. So AB को हम लोग split कर रहे हैं AE plus EB and EB is Q. So sin alpha is equals to AE plus Q upon BC. Let it be equation number 1. Okay. Now in right triangle AED. So same right triangles हम लोग दो बार लेंगे. एक बार sin alpha, sin beta. Again we'll take the same right triangle cos alpha, cos beta. Okay. So एक साथ भी ले सकते हो और अलग अलग भी ले सकते हो. It is up to you. So in right triangle AED, sin beta is equals to AE upon AD. ED, hypotenuse. Now AE upon ED, and if we cross multiply, we'll get AE is equals to ED sin beta. So that we can substitute here. यहाँ पे हम लोग substitute कर सकते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में वहीं पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं हम लोग, ए ई के प्लेस में ई डी साइन बीटा प्लस क्यू अपॉन बी सी. अगेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. In the next step we will do the cross multiplication. So ये हो जाएगा BC into sin alpha and Q will be equals to BC sin alpha minus ED sin beta. Now see BC और ED क्या है? What is BC and ED?
Hypotenuse.
BC और ED क्या है? Ladder है. Same ladder. Right? उसी ladder को हम लोग पीछे खींचे हैं. So both will be equals to each other. But BC and ED represents the same ladder, so therefore BC is equals to ED. So we can write BC in place of ED, and after that we can take common. So let it be equation number 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
ठीक है. अभी हम लोग साइन का यूज किए तो Q का वैल्यू मिला. Similarly we will take both the triangles and we'll find the value of P. उसके बाद डिवाइड करेंगे. So now we are going to take again right triangle AED. अब हम लोग cos बीटा निकालेंगे. Cos बीटा is adjacent upon hypotenuse, right? So AD upon ED. AD को हम लोग ब्रेकअप कर सकते हैं AC plus P, CD that is P, और ED को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. So we'll get ED cos beta is equals to AC plus P. Now we are going to take the full this right triangle ABC and we'll find cos alpha. In right triangle ABC, cos alpha is equals to AC upon BC, right? So AC को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं BC into cos alpha, और यही AC हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So ED cos beta is equals to BC cos alpha. Now again the same concept we will use, that BC और ED दोनों same ladder है, so ये दोनों equal रहेगा. Now if you shift this to this side and if you take BC common by making ED and BC equal, so what you will get, P is equals to BC into cos beta minus cos alpha. पहले तो शिफ्ट कर लिए, उसके बाद इसको BC लिख लो, फिर उसके बाद कॉमन निकाल लो क्योंकि बोथ आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर. नाउ I told you that after getting P we will divide P and Q. ये दोनों को डिवाइड करेंगे, डिवाइडिंग 3 by 2. इसमें कुछ सेम दिख रहा है P और Q में?
BC.
वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So we'll get cos beta minus cos alpha upon sin alpha minus sin beta. यही प्रूफ करना था. Okay. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Now we'll move towards one more very good question. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above a lake is alpha. This is alpha. And the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is beta. Prove that the height of the cloud is h into tan beta plus tan alpha upon tan beta minus tan alpha meters. This is very good question और बहुत important है. Not in the terms of proof, इसके साथ में values दे सकता है 120 मीटर, like 30 डिग्री 60 डिग्री ऐसे. Okay, so let us draw the diagram first. ये जो C जो है, this is the position of cloud, और C का जो रिफ्लेक्शन है वो यहाँ पर है. देखो लेक, दिस इज द लेक, लेक में रिफ्लेक्शन यहाँ पर आ रहा है. एंड वी नो दैट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन इज दैट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस ऑफ इमेज. सो BC और BD दोनों इक्वल होंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? सो we are observing h meter above a lake. So this is the point of observation. ध्यान से देखो, P is the point of observation which is h meter above a lake. Okay, and the angle of elevation of cloud is alpha and the angle of depression of its reflection, that is D, is beta. डायग्राम अच्छे से समझ में आ गया तो फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. Whether these two are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if this is h, this side is also equals to h. Let this is equals to x. So ये पूरा हो जाएगा x plus h BC and that is equals to BD. This is also x plus h. क्योंकि मैंने अभी बताया था distance of object will be equals to distance of image. So BC is equals to BD is equals to x plus h. तो हम लोग राइट अप देख लेते हैं. Let AB be the surface of the lake and P be the point vertically above A such that AP is equals to h meters, and let C be the position of cloud and D is its reflection, and draw PQ perpendicular to CD. तो ये वाला perpendicular है. Then angle QPC is equals to alpha, angle of elevation, angle QPD is equals to beta, angle of depression, and BQ is equals to HP is equals to h meter. This also I told you just now. Let CQ is equals to x meters, then BD is equals to BC is equals to x plus h meters. So this is the explanation of diagram only. Now how many right triangles you have here with respect to alpha and beta?
2.
Identify fast, quick.
PQC and PQD.
Right, we will take one by one. So from right triangle PQC, ध्यान से देखो, this side is opposite to this angle and PQ is adjacent. So we can take either tan alpha or cot alpha, क्योंकि cot alpha जो है tan alpha का reciprocal है, and we are going to take cot alpha. Cot alpha is equals to PQ upon CQ. So PQ हम लोग ऐसे रखेंगे और CQ को रिप्लेस करेंगे x में, and we'll get PQ is equals to x into cot alpha. Let it be equation number 1. Any doubt in first equation?
No.
Now we'll take the second right triangle, that is PQD. Again cot beta is equals to PQ upon DQ. What is DQ?
X plus 2h.
Very good, x plus 2h, and PQ will be equals to x plus 2h into cot beta. Now first equation is also PQ is equals to x cot alpha, and second equation is also PQ is equals to x plus 2h into cot beta. So we'll compare both the equations and we'll get these two are equal. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay. फिर इसको expand कर लो, ओपन कर लो. ओपन करने के बाद अगर इसको हम लोग यहाँ शिफ्ट करते हैं x cot alpha, so if you take common x you will get cot alpha minus cot beta. Here I will explain once again. देखो यहाँ पर x into cot beta और 2h into cot beta. फिर x into cot beta को अगर इधर शिफ्ट करते हैं तो minus x into cot beta हो जाएगा. If you take x common, it will be cot alpha minus cot beta. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what is the value of x here?
2h cot beta by cot alpha minus cot beta.
Right. But हम लोग को निकालना क्या है? What we have to find? The height of the cloud. What is the height of the cloud?
X plus h.
Very good. X plus h. तो यहाँ से हम लोग x निकालेंगे पहले in terms of tan. So cot alpha we will write 1 upon tan alpha, cot beta will write 1 upon tan beta, and here also we'll write cot beta 1 upon tan beta. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, we will get tan beta minus tan alpha upon tan alpha. This is into tan beta. Okay. फिर इसमें दोनों साइड में tan beta कैंसिल हो जाएगा, and we'll get 2h tan alpha upon tan beta minus tan alpha. Any doubt?
No, sir.
See, यहाँ पे tan alpha बचा, वो ऊपर चला जाएगा, and this tan beta minus tan alpha will come down here. Already we cancelled tan beta. So x is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now the height of the cloud is equals to x plus h. Now x plus h, again we are going to take LCM. ठीक है, अगर LCM लेते हो तो यहाँ पर बचेगा h tan बीटा माइनस h tan अल्फा, राइट. h 2h ऑलरेडी है, 2 tan अल्फा प्लस h tan बीटा माइनस h tan अल्फा अपॉन tan बीटा माइनस tan अल्फा. ओके, सो ये 2 टाइम्स है और ये 1 टाइम है, तो 2h माइनस h कितना होगा, सिंगल h. एंड व्हाट वी विल गेट इफ यू टेक h कॉमन आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग न्यूमरेटर.
H into tan
Tan
alpha
alpha
plus tan
plus tan
beta.
beta.
Yes, h into tan alpha plus tan beta. So this is the final answer. और यही प्रूफ करना था. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the last question of this session, and let us move towards the assignment questions. 4 questions are there. You have to complete these 4 questions. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.